Good looking 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Inline six-cylinder underneath the hood, 235 cubic inches. That's paired up with a manual transmission, 3-speed. Shifter on the column. Let's take a look at the chrome and bright work up front on this one. Good looking grille and bumper. Bumper guard. Headlight bezels. Paint coat on this car is 514, so saddle brown and Sahara beige. This one looking very much like it would have looked back in 1953, rolling off the Chevrolet dealer showroom floor. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, interior, undersides, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on radial tires, you can see has some rock guards that were installed behind the front wheel well and in front of the rear one. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Panels appear to be nice and straight. This car spent much of its life in Oregon. And you can see that bright work up and down the passenger side looks good. There's a few little spots where you might have a little chip or a nick, bottom of the fender skirt, but overall, car has a nice look to it. Be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Interior, also a beige and brown color combination. Stock looking dash. We will get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take you for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Dual exhaust, chrome in the rear bumper looking good, also a bumper guard in the rear. Still retains the 6-volt system. Technician noted the coolant was serviced. Wipers do work, they are vacuum operated, so they're a little slow. Brakes are 60% in the front, 60% in the rear. And once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these Bel Airs, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can see up and down this driver's side, couple little nicks on the fender skirts, little touch-up spot right there. But again, overall, good looking car. Could use a little touch-up on the rear. Be a fun one for local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Get it out and drive it, have some fun. Looks like the carpeting has been replaced. It's a nice shape. I haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything major in the seating surfaces. Oh, the headliner looked good. Crossbows look good. Door panels. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Get a good look at the dash. Of course, rear view mirror on the dash. Chrome and bright work on the interior. So as far as gauges, fuel gauge looks like it came up. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Battery gauge moved, and oil pressure. Nice throttle response, a little rumble coming out of that inline 235. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Sounds pretty good. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to get this hood open. We'll check out this engine bay. And then, like I said, Jason will take it for a drive. Take it for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, so hood open. A good look at the underside of it. And engine bay. That is one smooth runner. Quiet, too. So again, 6-volt system, yeah. 235 cubic inches of inline 6-cylinder. Single carb. running smooth. 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air. Our turn signal indicators, I can hear them working. I can't see them working, but I can hear them working. Our speedometer is also working. Temperature gauge is almost up to half. The fuel gauge is over half. The battery is charging towards the top of the gauge, and the oil pressure is at the top as well, which is 30 psi. Blower motor works in this car. The wipers work. The horn works. Actually sounds really cool. I want to use these for taxis. It reminds me of a taxi for some reason. Say in like a movie. Very cool car. Lots of brown and beige variations. You don't see that very often. And the seats match. Bench seat front and rear. Great condition headliner and dash. Nice smooth ride down the road. This car starts up and idles great right away. It's a 3 on the tree manual transmission. If you can drive a clutch, you can drive 3 on the tree. It's easy. We'll go down to second for the traffic circle. Brakes also nice and smooth. If you're hearing a clicking, that is the window in its track. And because the camera is stuck to that window, it's a little bit extra amplified. This car corners very nicely. Smooth shifting, nice feeling clutch. Check out all the pictures of this 53 Bel Air at UniqueClassicCars.com.